Hello guys, it's Tessy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things TessyE. So today's video is about how to do the Fulani braid, and this is my first attempt. All I'm doing here is sectioning my hair from back of my ear, and I'll be doing the knotless boss braid from there. Okay, I have a video already of how to do knotless boss braid for beginners, and I will be wasting your time to show that the knotless boss braid part. I will just do just one braid and that's it. Okay, I'm using the edge control so that I can get my part straightened. This is my first attempt, like I said before. Okay, I will link the video of how to do your knotless boss braid for beginners friendly. I will link it in the card so you can check it out if you've not watched it. So this is the length I'm going for. It's pretty long. We are done with the knotless boss braid. This is the look. And now let me begin the struggle. So first of all, you have to pattern your hair in the middle to make sure you get your pattern right. Even I know my pattern is not right, but I'm trying. Okay, then part from the both side to get your center piece. Okay, I'm done with the pattern, and now I'll add the edge control, okay, to help with the braid. I started braiding my hair without the braiding hair for about 2 to 3 before adding the braiding hair, okay? So with that, you will get the flat look in the beginning. Honestly, this is the hardest part because I haven't done this before. So this is my first attempt, like I said at the beginning of the video. So my braiding is not all that, but we are doing it. In this video, I'm showing you real time of how I'm braiding step by step. You can see I'm not pretty fast. I'm slow to get the braid right. So I just want to show these first braids in the real time, then I will fast forward the rest, okay, because I don't want to really bore you out. Okay, we're done with the first one. So what I'm doing here is parting for the one to braid forward. There is no Fulani braid without braiding forward. You have to braid one forward. So that's the next one. And just as I did the first braiding, I have to braid with my hair first before adding the extension. And this is just a very hard angle to braid in, mostly if you are a beginner like me or your first attempt like me, okay? If I will give myself a little credit, I think it's coming out really nice. Yay, the last one. It took me about 7 hours to get this hair braided, like for real. It was a struggle for me to get these Fulani braids done. Will I try this style again? Yes, I will. I will give it a second try to see if I can come up with something nicer than this. But at the end, it's not that bad, if I say so myself. Yay, we are all done. I can stretch my arms now. It's not bad, like I said before. So it's time to put it in hot water and get a really good trim. And this is the finished look. I hope you will give this video a thumbs up for giving it a try. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.